the age of the dinosaurs. A family of tiny castaways was swept out to sea. They landed on a mysterious island and evolved into some of the most extraordinary animals you'll ever meet. The lemurs of Madagascar. These ultimate survivors are now endangered, but a team of scientists are working to save our oldest living relatives and the only place on Earth they call home.
I'm on top of the world, I'm on top of the world, waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, the whole day for a while, take you with me if I can, been dreaming of this since a child.
Warner Brothers Pictures and IMAX invite you and your family on an amazing adventure to discover a real place you could never imagine and strange creatures you will never forget as they leap, sing, and dance their way into your heart. Island of Lemurs, Madagascar, exclusively in IMAX theaters.